LED neon wall sign, $10. They have 3 different patterns. It says try me, so let me see. Oh, cute, cute. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm at Aldi to look at their new finds for this week. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned, my friends. Alrighty friends, this plush rug by Huntington Home, it is a 5x7. It is $25. Now that is an amazing deal, guys, for a plush rug. Yes, love these. The backrest pillows are $13. You have it in white, purple, and gray. Mini American Pride balls, $5. I have that pattern. And that one. All right, we have the USA Sports Squeeze bottles for $4. The USA belt bags, they are $7. Wall collage kit, $4. So they have a few different patterns. This is one, and they also have one in black and white, which is really nice. Yes. So they have 4 different patterns. LED neon wall sign, $10. They have 3 different patterns. It says try me, so let me see. Oh, cute, cute. LED curtain lights, $5. Okay. Novelty ceramic vase, $5. That one. And these. Huntington Home easels, they are $4. Gray, green, and purple. Hi guys, quick announcement. I have merch on my channel now. My merch includes hoodies, stickers, t-shirts, tote bags, and more. My tagline is Be Kind, It's Free. I created this Be Kind, It's Free because we can use more kindness in the world, and I'm sure you all can agree to that. Celebrate kindness with my Be Kind, It's Free collection. This apparel and accessories line inspires positive vibes and timeless fashion, showing that kindness costs nothing, but means everything. My merch can be used as gifts for men, women, and children of all ages for any occasion. So join me and spread kindness, the free gift. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you all. Bakeware or lid sorter, $8. So this is the bakeware sorter, and this one is the lid sorter. True wireless Bluetooth earbuds, $10. Right here. Okay. Student planners are $6. This pattern is really nice. So it is 24 to 25. 2024, 2025. That one is nice. We also have this one. Alrighty, school milestone chalkboard. My first day of school, $5. Hair elastics and accessories, $3. You can never go wrong with these. They feel pretty good, guys. They're not like they're gonna break. Pretty sturdy. Okay. Nail lamp, $13. Not a bad deal. Ooh, LED display, $13, guys. Manicure and pedicure rechargeable tools, $10. So this one says callus remover. Amazing. 2-pack satin pillowcases and eye masks, $5. Toddlers character underwear, $10. 8 briefs. And 10 briefs for the girls. Children's character watches, they are $6. Hello Kitty. Oh yes, Disney's Princess. Children's character 5-piece set, $16. Not a bad deal, guys, for 5 pieces. So we have, you get 3 tops and 2 bottoms. Okay. Children's 2-piece character pajama, $10. So we have Spider-Man, Bluey, Stitch, and Disney's Princess. Size 3 teeth through size large, which is a 10-12. Children's 10 pairs, no show or ankle socks, $6.97. Another great find. Oh, yes. These cooling towels is a set of 2 for $5. 6-piece towel set for $15 in blue and gray. 2-pack hair towel or body wrap, $7. We have this one, the blue one, that one, purple and white, really pretty patterns. 5-piece reusable makeup removing cloths, $5. So we have one with colors and one with just solid black. Okay. Hair brushes and combs, $1.99. Nice colors. Compact ionic blow dryer, $15. So I see it in gray, and I also see it in black. Cool Air dual stylers, $15. Adjustable heat settings, curls, and straightens hair, 360 cooling air vents in black and purple. Dry erase desktop easel, $10. Easy to clean glass surface, includes black medium point dry erase marker with magnetic cap. Alrighty, Happy foam blocks, they're $15. So we have this one and this one. Multi-purpose cubes, $4. So we have a choice of one with 3 compartments, one large one, and 2. Collapsible zip storage, $5. Zip storage, oh, that's good. That is good to zip it. Okay, LED novelty taper candles, $3.99. Now the smiley face, the mushroom, and solid colors. Glass candle holders, $7. Well, these are cute and different. Glass, they feel plastic, but I think they are glass. Yeah, very light glass though. Wavy murals, they are $5. Right there. Royal plush throws, they are $8. 50 by 70. We have gray, purple, blue and white, white, and solid blue. Okay, this 5-piece complete bed set in twin XL, $25. Dorm Sweet Dorm, happy to be here. Oh my goodness, these cute little pillows, they're $10. So we have like different colors, same patterns. This one, this one, this one, and that one. And these colors as well. This is a rolling duffel bag for $20. Let's see. Okay, I only see this pattern in solid black. Rectangular storage bin, $15. It's pink and white. Okay. Easy Home interlocking foam floor towels, $13, guys. You get 4 towels. They are a 24 by 24. Cover 16 feet, 8 finishing borders included. Okay, so we have this natural wood looking one and that black one back there. Okay. Personal table easy to clean, folds flat, holds up to 30 pounds. In black for $15. 16-ounce stainless steel bottle, $6. Shape bath mats, $8. So I see the rainbow. Let's see here. Here are all the different patterns they have. They also have the matching shower curtains for $7. This one says, believe in your magic. Okay. They also have the shower curtain liners for $6. Gray and white and clear. Collapsible backpack or collapsible hamper, $6. So this is the laundry backpack and this is the hamper here. Laundry detergent elements, $15.94. Okay. Ooh, it is huge. 92 ounces, guys. So this was in the lavender scent. This one is in the citrus scent. Only at Aldi, original Squishmallow slides for $10. So we have this one. A pretty purple, pink. Yes, I think those are the only colors. Oh, they have green. Yes, and green. Really pretty. So what size is this? Is a 9, 10, 7, 8. Okay. Sterilite 64 quart latching box, $8 with the top. Not a bad deal with the top, guys. Single large bins, they are $12.99. It is freezer safe, hand wash only. They also have the 3-pack small bins for $7, or you can get the set of 2 for, the same price in black, blue, and tan. These are the strainers are $5. How cute. So we have the blue one and the green and orange. Nice. But they have this sandwich maker, which is so neat. Did not even see this. This is nice to have. They have it in a couple of different colors. So the mini muffins in chocolate chip and confetti cake, $5.39. You get a total of 40 muffins, 10 packs total. The mini cinnamon toast crunch little bars, they're $12.99 for 40 bars. 20-pack snack box is $11.98. 12-pack of these cookies by Nabisco, $6.49. Cashews halves in pieces, $8. Sunny D, you get 18 for $6. Corn and wheat tortillas, you get 8 for $2.48. Nice. Raw stuffed chicken breast, quarter on blue, is $3.49. You get 2 individually wrapped packages, and it is 22 grams of protein. Specially select are these crispy stuffed shrimp Nashville hot for $6. Ooh, I bet that is good. For all the smoothie blends, guys, they are $6.99. Sara Lee's Dutch apple pie is $5. Half dipped mint chip yogurt bars for $95. Alrighty, we have lemon bars and strawberry bars for $3. A total of 4 per box. We also have the sparkler pops here. You get 6 of these for $3.29. Tyson air fried strips, $7 for 20 ounces. Sports shaped chicken nuggets, $6.29. Alrighty friends, beef patties, prime rib season. You get 6 beef patties for $8.49. They also have the restaurant quality quarter-pound beef patties. You get 24 for $15. Crab and lobster cakes, $5. And lobster here. And the crab. And these are new. Okay, Castleback potatoes with the butter. $4.79 for 14 ounces. Okay, I see the fully cooked chicken nuggets by Tyson. I do not see a price, but they are here. This is a family pack size. It's 4.4 pounds. Okay, they also have the roast beef and cheddar sandwich for $5. You get 2 sandwiches per box. All right, friends, we have not checked the eggs and the milk in a while, but it's time to do an egg and milk run. The 2-gallon milk is $2.03. The dozen of eggs is $2, $1.99. Okay, the half gallon of 1% milk is $1.22. Okay, so this is new. Ooh, so we have yogurt with Oreo cookie bites and yogurt with M&M milk chocolate candy. You get 8 6-ounce cups, 4 of each, for $7.12. Nice. Blended Greek non-fat yogurt, protein yogurt, 15 grams of protein, mixed berries for $3.55. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Aldi. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.